Hey there, it's Heeltoe Automotive, and I got another little unboxing, a brand new product that we just got in from Garage Line. We got some of these wheel spacers, also known as hub adapters if they're a different bolt pattern, but basically what these are going to do is allow you to bump out your wheels. These ones are 20 millimeter, so to pull apart this part number, it's wheel spacer 5 by 114, that's the bolt pattern here, so it'll fit on my Volk here. 64, that's the hub size right here, so that should fit on the back of my my Acura pretty well. Last part of the part number 20, that's how thick it is, 20 millimeters across. Of course there's two together here. Now the way that these work is they bolt onto your hub, and then the wheel bolts onto the spacer itself. So we're just gonna rip these lug nuts off of here. Right, okay, so then once you get it off, you're going to find that this part is actually going to bolt. You're going to take the wheel off the car and then bolt that onto the hub, and you're going to do that using these special lug nuts that they come with. Now you notice that these lug nuts are actually pretty thin. That's because they're designed to screw all the way down. You can kind of like simulate that here. So when you bolt these all the way down, it's actually going to create pretty much like a flush mounting surface, so the nut is not sticking up past the spacer at all. Now you notice that there is actually a little bit of a bit of the stud poking up. Now that goes in between these two areas here on the back of the wheel. So if you're going to use these type of spacers, you got to make sure that your wheel has reliefs in the back in between, that this is going to nest right inside that hub area. Now the studs are poking out the other side, and you would use your just regular lug nuts to tighten up into there. And that's basically it. The hub spacer stays in the car. You can bump out your wheels 20, 25, 30 millimeters and not have to worry about thread engagement on the studs. Yeah, that's basically it. Just a quickie little video. Hopefully it was helpful to you. Heeltoe's in your corner, so if you have any questions about how these things work, just let us know and we'll get them answered for you right away. Of course, we have a whole slew of different sizes and bolt patterns and things on our website, and if one seems like it's missing or you're not sure which one to get, just let us know. Have a great day.